Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be an exciting one. We are deep cleaning my master bedroom. You guys, I'm showing you spaces that have been hidden that are just disgusting. So we're going to get it all cleaned up and do a little bit of changes here in my bedroom. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just get started. The first thing that I do like to do is just go ahead and remove all of my sheets so I can get them in the wash. And I'm also removing our cover pad. It just kind of protects mattresses, and I want to go ahead and deep clean and wash that too. I don't wash that every week that I clean my sheets and blankets, but I like to wash it at least once a month. If you're returning back to my channel, hello you guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. Don't forget to comment down below and say hi so I know you're here. And if you are new, welcome. I know I got a lot of new subscribers, and I just want to say thank you for joining my family here on YouTube. I hope you guys get tons of motivation and inspiration. And if there's any specific videos you guys want me to put out or anything in my videos you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. I always love hearing your guys' requests.
Each other, I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. Taking my time to be your rock. I don't ever wanna be apart. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay.
So I did go ahead and open up my window here. That's just so we can get some fresh air into the room, and I know a lot of dust and stuff is stirred up, so I want to make sure that gets out of the house. So right here I am using the e-cloths. I am using the glass and window one. It works amazing. You just go ahead and get the first cloth wet, and then the second cloth you kind of dry and clean up the mirror. So it does an amazing job. It's definitely a new product I'm using and I'm loving.
I got your back, yeah, you can count on me, yeah. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day when you're sick of the.
So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my antibacterial fabric spray. It just allows me to clean and wash things that you just can't throw in the wash machine. So I'm going to go ahead and spray down all of my pillows and also the mattress so it gets a good clean. So now me and hubby are going to go ahead and remove our mattress, our box springs, all of that stuff so we can get underneath this bed and clean it. You guys, when you see it, I'm going to be really embarrassed, but it is disgusting and I haven't cleaned under there for like a year. So we're going to see what we find underneath the bed.
Let me be right by your side, because I know that this is right. Don't be shy, just get to know me. We can take this somewhere else. You and me can find ourselves. Stop pretending we are lonely. I can't call your bluff, 'cause I know that this is love. Can't pretend that you don't feel it. People think that you.
Over here I went ahead and found my earbuds, or my little Apple earpods that I was missing one of them for the last couple of months, and I think when I was sick is when it fell back behind there, and I've been using one this whole time. So thankfully I finally found it. Let me know if you guys have any secret spaces in your house that you're just so embarrassed that you haven't cleaned or touched for a certain amount of time. I definitely have more spaces in my house that are just super cluttered and need to be cleaned, and we're definitely going to get to those in the new year, you guys. We are going to refresh our homes, deep clean, reorganize, redecorate, and do all kinds of fun stuff on this channel. So please make sure you're subscribed if you guys are into that and you don't want to miss what is coming.
Think of the things we do. If it was all Wanna make you feel so good, I can help you set the mood, 'cause all I wanna do is hold you. Let me get under your skin, find the secrets you won't say. Let me be the one you talk to. I can't call your bluff, 'cause I know that this is love. Can't pretend that you don't feel it. People think that you missed, I know you can't resist. Let me make your life easy. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your company. I wanna be.
So while my husband was helping put back the nightstands, he was going ahead and making fun of me because I get so excited when I clean and everything is so fresh and so clean. So I wanted to mention that today I did partner with Lowell, which is an online mattress company where you can go ahead and pick a mattress and have it delivered right to your door. I'm so excited that I've teamed up with Lowell today because I absolutely love their mattress. They are so comfortable. They have cooling comfort, therapeutic support, and the lasting durability allows for exceptional sleep experience for years to come. There is no sagging on these mattresses. And Lowell's premium 3-layer memory foam mattress gives you the comfort and support you need, and it also comes with a 10-year warranty. So Lowell has received 18,000 5-star reviews, a 4.8 out of 5 Google trusted store rating. So I definitely trust them, and now after I've tried them, I absolutely love them, and I'd like to get more mattresses for the other rooms in our home because that's how much we love this mattress. We've been sleeping so good every single night, and I'm so thankful that I got to try out one of their mattresses. So I will have their link down below, and they're also giving you guys a $150 off discount code. They also give you a 100-night risk-free trial. So keep that in mind. You actually get an opportunity to try out the mattress to make sure you love it.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.
Recently, I just did an undecorate video and we undecorated the whole house, but my husband actually really enjoys the Christmas decorations here in our room, and he wants to enjoy like the sheets and the greenery a little bit longer. So technically, since it's still winter time and this can kind of be like a winter theme in our room, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy these a little bit longer. I might go ahead and put like the reindeers away and things like that, but we really do like the sheets and the greenery.
Matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever.
If you guys are enjoying this video, I would really appreciate if you can give me a thumbs up. It just allows me to know that you enjoyed the video, and it also really helps out my channel. Over here, Ava was playing a little hide and seek, and I found her in the box. She's such a cutie. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my microfiber towel and just kind of go through this ladder shelf and dust a bit. So we had some pile of dusting, but I didn't want to take everything off, so I just did it real quickly, kind of picked things up and dusted underneath.
Unable to bend, I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in.
So now that my room is all deep clean, fresh and clean, it feels amazing in here. You guys, don't you just love the feeling of a clean space after you've deep cleaned and everything? If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and comment down below and say hi, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Here is the comment of the day, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh.